Will your money be safe in a world war?
Let me give it to you straight. No. Not if you trust the system blindly, not if you think your bank account is a fortress, because in war, banks don't protect you. They protect themselves.
Let's pull back the curtain and look at the brutal truth no one tells you until it's too late. When the world unravels, banks don't ask permission. They close immediately. No warning, no apology. ATMs, dry, empty, dead. Withdrawal limits slashed overnight from $1,000 to $60. Maybe less. You're not in control, they are. And in a crisis, their job isn't to serve you. It's to survive you. Governments don't wait for consensus during wartime. They freeze accounts, they pause online banking, they set caps on how much of your money you can touch. They call it stabilization. But if you needed rent, groceries, or medicine, too bad, because access is a privilege, not a right, when things go south. And if you're still thinking my savings are fine, I can see them on my banking app. That's not safety. That's a digital illusion. Just ask the people of Lebanon, ask Greeks in 2015, ask anyone who tried to withdraw their money during collapse. When the system panics, it doesn't protect you, it locks you out.
And the scariest part? You won't know it's coming until the doors slam shut. Here's the part nobody tells you. Your bank doesn't actually hold your money. You deposit $1,000, they legally keep maybe $100 in reserve. The other $900? Loaned out, spent, invested, gone. It's called fractional reserve banking, and it means your bank is running a high-stakes game of trust. They're banking on the idea that not everyone will ask for their money at once, because if they do, it's over. That's what a bank run is, and it's terrifying. People rush in, panic, demanding their savings. But the cash isn't there, not in the vault, not in the drawer, not even in the building. And when the truth breaks out, it spreads faster than wildfire. ATMs dry up, branches lock up, people rage. Too late. You thought your balance on screen was real? No, it was just a promise. And in a crisis, promises break. Ask Silicon Valley Bank. Ask history. Don't wait to learn this lesson the hard way. So let's say you're smart. You beat the bank run. You pull out your cash, you hold it tight, you think you're safe. But here's the twist. Even your cash may not save you. Because in war, currency breaks fast. Governments print money to fund tanks, missiles, and chaos, and every time they do, your dollar bleeds. What bought you groceries last week barely buys bread this week. Your savings rot in real time. Your paycheck shrinks without warning. That's hyperinflation. It's not theory. It's history on repeat. Venezuela, Zimbabwe, Germany in the 1920s, Argentina right now. People carried wheelbarrows of cash to buy a chicken, million-dollar notes used as toilet paper, and you still think your $3,000 in savings is safe? No, it's a candle in a hurricane. The system isn't built to protect you, it's built to survive itself. And in war, governments save themselves, not your bank account. This isn't fear. It's warning. It's your chance to prepare while your money's still worth something. So what do? You prepare quietly, smartly, and before the panic spreads. Pull some cash, not thousands, just enough to eat, move, survive for a few weeks. Small bills hidden well. If the system locks up, this is your lifeline. Own real assets. Gold, silver, land, tools, things that hold value when paper doesn't. You don't trade stocks in a blackout. Learn real skills. Can you grow food? Fix things? Communicate clearly? Skills can't be frozen, hacked, or inflated. They can feed you when your account balance can't. Start a side income, sell online, teach something, make something. Don't bet your family's future on one fragile paycheck. Because here's the brutal truth. In war, the system doesn't care about you. It protects itself. Only the prepared sleep at night. Everyone else waits in line, waits for help, waits for permission to survive. The system is not your savior. It's not built for you. It's built to keep running, no matter who it leaves behind. In war, it won't protect your savings, it won't guard your grocery bill, it won't even send a warning before it breaks. So here's your moment. Don't wait for collapse to get smart. Don't wait for headlines to turn into lines at the ATM. Don't wait for the banks to freeze before you realize your financial safety is your responsibility. Because if you wait too long, it won't be a lesson, it'll be a loss. Hit like, share this video, warn someone who still thinks they're safe, and start preparing right now, quietly, calmly, relentlessly. This is how you survive when the world stops pretending.